Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from HowLogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your Microsoft Authenticator's recovery account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your Microsoft Authenticator's recovery account, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your device, and after that just simply open this site of account.microsoft.com. Now you just simply have to tap into these three bars into top left corner, and from there just simply choose your information section. And now after tapping into your informations, you can see all of your information about your account. You just simply have to scroll down a bit until you see the option of account information. And now, in order to change the recovery email or recovery account, you just simply have to tap into edit account information. And now, after coming into this section, you will get to see this add email option. Just simply tap into add email, or if you already have a recovery account other than primary account, you will get to see change email option into here. Now you just simply have to enter an email address and then click to add allies option. This way you can easily change Microsoft Authenticator recovery account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.